Variables are the currency of any C program. Without variables, we cannot do anything of value on a computer. Variables allow us to store information in memory so that it can be manipulated or communicated. The different places in memory where data resides are called objects. To access such an object, it must have a name, and such a named object is called a variable. The information we actually store inside an object is called a value. Of course, the machine itself typically has no idea how to interpret the information it contains, but the program certainly needs to know. For this reason, a variable has a specific type. And it's this type that constrains the use of that variable such that only operations appropriate to the type may be performed. Constants are slightly different between C and C++, and this can cause a bit of confusion if you come from a C++ background. C programmers tend to use macros, a pre-processing step provided by the compiler, to insert constant values into the source code. The trouble is that the preprocessor is by definition outside the language and thus knows nothing about your types. Now you can define a variable to be a constant in C, but it is not considered a compile time constant, and so you are still stuck using macros or literal values for this.